Alright, so after everything stayed here after last night, you could see fuel staining the carbs, which is pretty weird. Actually, not really ever seen that before. I've never really had that as an issue. But this is really staining, and down inside here, you can see it's still pooling up. Like it's not evaporating at all. I really would like to see if I can find us. I know we were talking about doing Weber's and all that. This may be the time to do that, or find another set of these. There's definitely some porosity issues in these, especially now that we've cleaned them and removed all of said gunk from them. It might be the time. Might be the time.